Hello, dear beloved kids, students, and friends. Good morning to all of you. This is Suresh Bhardwaj with the phonetic sounds. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels, and these vowels have been used in these words. Okay, producing long vowel sound. So first I would like to read these words out to you. Ape, bee, eyes, oat, tube. Okay dear, let us understand. A here, now sound of this A, ape. B, here you see, B double E. Ape here you see, ape means langur kapi. B double E, long sound. Okay, B madhumaki. Eyes, sound symbol. Here you see sound symbol, eyes, barf. O, sound symbol, O, tube. Sound symbol here you, tube. So these words are pronounced. I mean vowels are pronounced. Long vowels. Here you see pronouncing long. It takes too much time. And here next list of words here you find producing short vowel sound. A, the same letter A, short sound, producing short sound. Apple, I here now it is sound symbol. Apple, save. Egg, sound symbol. Egg, here sound symbol. Egg, and short sound symbol. Igloo, sound symbol here. And octopus, sound symbol here, octopus. Astabhav samudri jeev. You here, umbrella, short, umbrella, producing, and this is your sound symbol. Okay dear, now in this way you have seen here long vowels and short vowels producing long vowel sound and short vowel sound respectively. Okay dear, wish you all the best and brightest. Thanks a lot.